Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money in Denmark. First, ensure you have the correct work permit or visa to legally work in the country. Next, you'll need to obtain a CPR number, which is essential for all official matters, including employment. Finally, open a Danish bank account to ensure you can receive your salary directly and manage your finances effectively. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth start. Finding a job in Denmark involves several effective strategies. Start by exploring popular online job portals such as Jobnet, DK, and LinkedIn, which list numerous opportunities. Networking is also key. Connect with professionals in your field to uncover hidden job markets. If your Danish language skills are still developing, focus on roles that primarily require English, as many international companies operate here. Denmark's work culture emphasizes a flat hierarchy and strong teamwork, fostering a collaborative environment. A significant aspect is the high value placed on work-life balance, meaning reasonable working hours are common. It's also important to understand the Danish tax system. Income tax rates can range from approximately 37% to 55%, depending on your income level. Be prepared for these cultural and financial aspects. To further boost your income, consider exploring part-time work or freelancing opportunities, which can complement your main job. Investing in Danish language lessons can significantly improve your job prospects and integration into society. Remember, a strong command of the local language opens many doors. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. It's a simple way to make your daily commute more pleasant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.